Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the most common car air conditioning problems and how to fix them. If you've ever experienced a malfunctioning AC system in your car, you know how frustrating it can be, especially during hot summer months. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some expert advice and troubleshooting tips. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to know is what kind of problems you might encounter with your car's AC system. Some of the most common issues include weak airflow, unpleasant odors, no cold air, strange noises, and AC system not turning on at all. Let's have a look at each of them in detail. 1. Weak airflow. One of the most common air conditioning problems is weak airflow, where the system fails to blow cold air with sufficient force. This can be caused by a variety of factors, such as a clogged cabin air filter, a malfunctioning blower motor, or a refrigerant leak. To rectify this issue, it's important to regularly check and replace the cabin air filter as recommended by the manufacturer. Additionally, having the blower motor and refrigerant levels inspected by a professional mechanic can help identify any issues that may need to be addressed. 2. Strange smells. Another common issue is strange smells coming from the air conditioning system, which can range from musty odors to a foul smell resembling rotten eggs. This can be caused by mold or mildew growth in the evaporator, a clogged drain tube, or a refrigerant leak. To address this problem, it's important to regularly clean and disinfect the evaporator and drain tube to prevent mold and mildew growth. Additionally, having the air conditioning system inspected for any refrigerant leaks can help eliminate any foul odors. 3. No cold air. A third common problem is the air conditioning system failing to blow cold air at all, which can be caused by a variety of issues such as a refrigerant leak, a faulty compressor, or a clogged expansion valve. To rectify this issue, it's important to have the refrigerant levels and compressor inspected by a professional mechanic to identify any leaks or malfunctions. Additionally, regular maintenance and cleaning of the expansion valve can help ensure proper functioning of the air conditioning system. 4. Strange noise. If you're experiencing strange noises coming from your car's air conditioning system, it could be a sign of a more serious issue. Common causes of strange noises include a failing compressor, a worn-out belt, or a loose or damaged component within the system. It's important to have these noises inspected by a professional mechanic to identify the root cause and address any necessary repairs. Ignoring strange noises can lead to further damage and potentially costly repairs, so it's best to address them as soon as possible. Regular maintenance and inspections can help prevent these issues from occurring in the first place. 5. Car AC system not turning on at all. If your car's air conditioning system is not turning on at all, it could be due to a variety of issues. First, check to make sure that the fuse related to the AC system is not blown. If the fuse is fine, it could be a problem with the AC compressor, a faulty relay, a refrigerant leak, or an electrical issue. It's best to have a professional mechanic diagnose and repair the problem to ensure that it is properly resolved. Ignoring the issue can lead to discomfort while driving and potential damage to other components of the AC system. Regular maintenance and inspections can help prevent these types of issues from occurring. Troubleshooting tips. Now that you know what kind of problems you might encounter, let's talk about how to fix them. Here are some troubleshooting tips to help you get your car's AC system back in working order. Check the refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant levels can cause weak airflow or hot air blowing instead of cold air. You can check the refrigerant levels yourself using a pressure gauge or take your car to a professional mechanic. Clean the air filters. Dirty air filters can cause weak airflow or unpleasant odors. Make sure to clean or replace your air filters regularly. Check the compressor. The compressor is responsible for circulating the refrigerant throughout the AC system. If it's not working properly, you might hear strange noises or experience hot air blowing instead of cold air. Take your car to a professional mechanic to have the compressor checked. Check the electrical system. If your AC system isn't turning on at all, it might be an electrical issue. Check the fuses and wiring to make sure everything is connected properly. Preventative maintenance. Finally, it's important to perform regular preventative maintenance on your car's AC system to avoid future problems. Here are some tips. Run your AC system regularly. Even during the winter months, it's a good idea to run your AC system for a few minutes every week to keep it in good working order. Keep your car's interior clean. Dirt and debris can clog up your air filters and cause problems with your AC system. Make sure to keep your car. In conclusion, understanding common car air conditioning problems and how to rectify them can help drivers stay cool and comfortable during hot weather. By staying on top of regular maintenance and addressing any air conditioning issues promptly, drivers can ensure a more enjoyable driving experience. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.